In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable efficiently. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible setup that saves time and keeps your projects moving. Start by planning your base before you add any data. Think about the tables you need, like projects, clients, and tasks, and decide what belongs in each. Choose a strong primary field for every table, such as a project name or a task title, so records are easy to identify. Map out relationships in advance. Which tasks connect to which projects, and which projects belong to which clients. Also decide which views you'll rely on daily, so your most important information is always front and center. Use views strategically to match the way you work. Grid view gives you a familiar spreadsheet feel for quick editing. Kanban view helps you manage tasks by status, so you can drag and drop from to do to done. Calendar view is perfect for deadlines and milestones. Gallery view shines when you're tracking images, assets, or any media-rich records. Link related tables to avoid duplicate data and keep context at your fingertips. When you link tasks to their project and client, you can open any task and instantly see who it's for and where it fits in the bigger picture. Apply filters and sorting to stay focused. Filter by tasks assigned to you, or only show active projects. Sort by priority, due date, or status so the most important items rise to the top. If you're new to Airtable, there's a link to the website and the app download at the top of the description so you can follow along right away. Automate repetitive work to save time. Set reminders for upcoming due dates, automatically update statuses when conditions are met, and notify teammates when key fields change. Always test automations with sample records to confirm they behave as expected. Customize fields with the right types for clarity and accuracy. Use single-line text for names, long text for notes, drop-downs for statuses, checkboxes for quick flags, dates for scheduling, attachments for files, and formulas for calculated values. Avoid freeform text when a structured field will keep data clean. Leverage templates as a starting point for project management, content planning, or CRM, then tailor them to match your process. Collaborate effectively by sharing your base with the right permissions. Read only, editor, or creator, and use comments and attachments to keep conversations and files tied to the work. Make a quick daily review routine. Mark completed tasks, catch overdue items, and plan your next steps. Finally, integrate with tools like Slack, Google Calendar, or Zapier to automate workflows and centralize information. That's how to use Airtable efficiently to boost productivity. Thanks for watching.